welcome to N.E.W.S News, Rapare, the 30th of April.
Okay, we start the day with Te kupu o te wiki, manu,
which is te rero for bird.
Kia roto te manu e whare.
The bird is in the house. Kaka.
Woohoo!
Hockey news. Can all hockey coaches please meet Ms Mynes at interval in room 13? Kia ora.
Book club orders. Tomorrow is the last day for all orders. Please have your money into the office A.S.A.P.
Techie team news. You have a lunchtime session today. Thank you.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text bar below. They're not here. I don't have them anymore.
But I do. I stole it from you. Ma ha ha ha!
No.
Okay, you might have noticed, yesterday the playground is open for business. A big thank you to the Board of Trustees for the upgrade. Thank you.
Yes, and can we please keep dry as possible at interval and lunchtime. This means thinking carefully where you play.
And making wise choices in the playground. Kia ora.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay away from the mud when in school. Yeah!